The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued launching attacks with high precision, long-range air and sea-based armament at the military control and energy system facilities of Ukraine. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. Russian artillery and army aviation have neutralized the manpower and military equipment of the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Sinkovka, Petropavlovsk, Peshchanoye, Ivanovka and Berestovoye in Kharkov region at Kupyansk direction. About 160 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored combat vehicles, 2 artillery guns, 1 pickup and 2 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Ukrainian Battalion Tactical Group made an unsuccessful attempt to launch an offensive towards Strapovka in Donetsk People's Republic at Lysychansk direction. Intense action of Russian troops has resulted in driving the Ukrainian units back to their initial positions. Over 50 Ukrainian personnel, 6 tanks, 2 armored combat vehicles and 4 pickups have been eliminated. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,256 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,855 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 871 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,484 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,610 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.